Sector 4 is clear. All quiet on the Western Front.
Roger. Maintaining elevated readiness posture until 0800.
Run! The ground is opening up! Keep moving! Don't look back!
A deep, resonant hiss begins. The hiss turns into a guttural roar.
Global markets plunge.
Emergency. Evacuation order issued.
Warning. Unknown energy signature detected.
The suit is an extension of myself. Without it, I'm just a genius, billionaire, play bomb, philanthropist. And the world needs saving. All right, Friday. Looks like the welcoming committee is having a bad day. Time to clean up Pennsylvania Avenue. Let's see what this bunker is made of. Ready. All right, Jay. Let's see what this overgrown garden hose is made of.
Scanning biomass and structural integrity.
200 meters.
Jarvis. Designation. Reptile Alpha. Target Colossal. Engage level 5 weapons.
Let's see how shiny we can get you. Still standing. Impressive.
That was way too close, big guy.
Well, that could have gone smoother. Systems report we are officially having a bad day.
Jarvis. Analyze biological structure.
Parasitic energy from underground nuclear reactor cannot be destroyed by conventional weapons.
Then we'll use extraordinary energy.
Initiating energy dispersal protocol. This might get a little bright.
Then we'll use extraordinary energy.
Talk about a tight squeeze. Did you miss me, big guy?
Honestly, this is getting old, Scales. I had a brunch reservation. Time to let go.
No other way. Unlocking Protocol Phoenix.
Let's see how tough that skin is. Time for a little pest control, big guy. Overload.
Jarvis. I'm still here.
Get down! Move! Move! We got wounded over here!
We're coming in hot! Secure the perimeter now! Move!